Hey y'all, it's your girl Tayymariemain and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not, then welcome back. As y'all can see, it's been raining outside and I'm trying to do a maintenance video. My voice is gone, so I'm trying to hurry up and talk. Right now, I'm at my nail appointment. My girl's gonna do my nails and my toes. We actually did a little service for service. I did her hair. And I'll show y'all right here, real tea, her cute. Yeah, my girl look good. I was jealous because I'm like, I wish these was in my head. But let me just hurry up and then I'm gonna get back to y'all after my toes and my nails is done, okay? Bye. Okay, y'all, this is the size I'm getting. She be so mad. Y'all, I'm in school, so. When they say she get it from her mama. Hey y'all, so I am back home, my lovely home, and I got my nails done, y'all. It took all day. I got there like 5. I didn't leave till like, what time? It's 11:53. I really got home about 2 hours ago, so yeah. Should be getting nail tech, but y'all, my nails eat. She's gonna eat though. Like I said, y'all know I'm basic when it comes to the nails. I just went off French tips because I feel like it's real classy. I really don't care for the charms, but she ate down. My girl ate down. Make sure y'all book her. I'm gonna put her information right here. If you in Indy, make sure you book her. And so yeah, this is what it is. I done came home. I got on my clothes. I put on my PJs, y'all. Hold on, let me get y'all a full of. So this the fit, y'all. I got on my pajama shirt. My button broke, but with my pajama pants, and I got on my, y'all can't see them. Got on my Victoria's Secret slides. Hey y'all, so we back. It is 3 days later. I think I left off where when I got back from doing my nails. Let me get my nails done. I had started recording doing my hair yesterday, y'all, but I was doing braids and I didn't want no braids no more. I was gonna do some boho braids, but I wanted to bob. I have on nails, so it's hard for me to do my own hair with nails. And I looked at them and I just did not like them. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. So I'm like, I just wait till I take my nails off. So I done found me a wig. I done already washed her yesterday, revamped her. And yeah, I'm just doing a little finishing touches before I put her on my head. But y'all look into it. Like, they're so cute. Like, that's a nice pattern. Combing the wig out, making sure. Y'all, why I accidentally put a hole in my wig? Because I wasn't paying attention, like I was cutting it, and then my man had said something, and I looked at it, and I heard it go through, and yeah, it had messed up. So, like I said, this is a used wig, so everything was already bleached and stuff. Let me hide, because it keeps focusing on me. It's already bleached and stuff. So, I just gotta go fix it on my head. Okay, y'all, so my beard is still on my head. Right now I'm gonna just go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm sorry, I'm looking for my thing, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I really don't do too much with my eyebrows. I haven't got them done since I've been here, and I've just been doing my own eyebrows because I don't like anybody just touching my face. I don't like just anybody doing my eyebrows, and I feel like, so I find a person who works look immaculate, then you know, I'm just continue doing it myself. Here I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna just clean my eyebrows. I'm gonna use these scissors I'm gonna also wipe these off because I just cut my hair with them, my wig. So just clean them before you start your eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my scissors, and I'm gonna also be using this one different from what I did my hair with, but you know, I'm just wiping everything down. I wipe all my stuff down because if I don't, my face will have a real bad like allergic reaction to it. Why we wipe this? I'm gonna take this mascara. I cleaned it. It's just my mascara thing. Cause I don't have my little comb, so we just gonna take it whatever. We're gonna start with this one. So my eyebrows a little uneven, but so how I like it, I brush it up. Just brush it in the direction you like it. I can't believe I'm doing this on my phone camera. So you just get your shape. You can brush it all up because we do gotta cut it, so just brush it. So I'm gonna go in with this. I just like shave like in this direction and like the shape I want it. So I'm gonna do it in this mirror because it's closer. It look boxed, but just wait a minute. So after I clean this up, I'm gonna go at the top and I'm gonna clean it up. I usually just cut like a little bit. And it gives like that little arch. You see the difference? That's really all I do. I did cut a little bit too short. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Like right here. No, where I cut it, like right there. It's literally like right there. That's why I cut it. But it'll be okay. It'll be okay. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, so I do my eyebrows. I had to put some Vaseline around it because I break out real bad after I like shave my eyebrows and stuff. So we finna go ahead and do my eyelashes. I got this. I haven't did my eyelashes in so long, but I'm gonna try these weird looking ones I got. Okay. So you know, got the seal, the bond. Babe, what? Babe, what? Yeah, he act like he got an issue. Okay, so I really want to cut these. These are what they look like. They're kind of long. I used them before, but stop locking on my face. Look at the lashes. And I didn't go to the store, so and I got school tomorrow, so I could do it after school, but I gotta get this video out. So I'm gonna cut these and make them like individuals and just glue them on. Where's the stuff on my face? What the fuck wrong with this one? There's too much going on everywhere.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene.